In order to complete the week 4 discussion activity sandbox assignment, you need to click on week 4 on the home page, and that's going to take you to the week 4 module overview. Then you need to scroll down to the discussion forum feedback instructions. As you can see, the instructions say for this exercise you will move to the IoT Sandbox course in Canvas. So in order to get there, I'm going to right-click on IoT Sandbox, open the link in a new tab, and then I'm going to click on the discussion activity. As you can see, each one of you has a student post that is assigned to you. So I'm going to go down and find the student post assigned to Brock, and I'm going to click on it. And so here's the initial post from Esther. Now, your job is not to respond to the post, but to simply give feedback to Esther. So I'm going to scroll up to do so and click on SpeedGrader. Looks like I graded this previously. So in order to grade this, you can see here's Esther's response, and I'm going to assign a grade of 25. You could also click on View Rubric and grade using the rubric. And then I'm just going to add great job. Okay, so now you have completed, you've provided feedback, but then you need to go back to the IoT course and I'm going to go into the module section right here and scroll down to the discussion forum feedback assignment. And as you can see, number 5 says, once you have graded the student post, come back to the IoT course and provide a very brief narrative in the assignment submission text box that addresses some or all of the following questions. So you as a student in this course will have a submission area where you can just provide an answer for number 5. And once you have completed that, then the discussion activity or discussion forum feedback assignment will be complete. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me.